You're all geared up for a sick VALORANT session, ready to clutch some rounds and maybe even rank up. But then nothing. You click the icon away, click again, and that dreaded Riot Client just refuses to open its digital doors, leaving you staring at your desktop with a growing sense of frustration. It's that gut-wrenching feeling when you're ready to queue with your squad and your game literally won't even launch. You start thinking about all the lost ranked points, the missed headshots, and the loss with your friends that are just out of reach. Don't worry. You're absolutely not alone in this tech nightmare, and it's a common hurdle for many agents out there. But take a deep breath, because today we're going to dive deep into all the most effective troubleshooting steps. We'll get that Riot Client working again and have you back on the battlefield, scoring those aces and making memories in no time. Stick around, because by the end of this video, that client won't stand a chance against your newfound tech wizardry. All right, let's start with the absolute basics, because sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Head over to your task manager by pressing Shift, then scroll through the processes to find anything related to Riot Client or VALORANT. If you see them, just select them and hit End Task to fully shut them down. Once you're sure everything's closed, give your a good restart, and then try launching the game again. You'd be surprised how often this works. If a simple restart didn't do the trick, the next common culprit is often permission issues. Sometimes the Riot Client just isn't getting the administrative access it needs to fully launch and open. So try right-clicking on your VALORANT or Riot Client shortcut and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. This grants it the necessary permissions, bypassing potential roadblocks that might be preventing it from opening. Give that a shot and see if it makes a difference. Okay, if we're still stuck, it might be time for a bit of a clean spring cleaning. Sometimes the Riot Client files can get a little wonky or corrupted, preventing it from launching correctly. What you can do is go to your computer's Add or Remove programs, find the Riot Client there, and you can install it without touching your VALORANT game files. Then head to the official Riot Games website. Download a fresh installer for the client and reinstall it to see if a clean slate fixes the problem. Our file common troublemaker is often your computer's security software acting a little too protective. Your firewall or antivirus program might be mistakenly identifying the Riot Client as a threat and blocking it from running. You can try temporarily disabling your antivirus and firewall just for a moment, and be cautious to see if the client launches. If it does, make sure to go into your security software settings and add an exception for the Riot Client and VALORANT so they can play nice.